Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to show you a new tool that's just been added to the Translation Factory by the Ranking Factory guys. Basically, it's this little tool here, which is the URL Metadata Extractor. And what it does, the title says, it extracts your title, your description, and your keywords from the metadata from URLs you put in. Now you can put one in, or you can put up to 50 in. It's entirely up to you. Now what they've got here, you just download this little, if you haven't already got one, this will extract like sort of the links from Google search. So all you do that, download it, then add it as an extension onto Chrome. I've already got it added, so I'm not going to bother adding it. So we jump over to Chrome, over to Google I should say, and we type in, there you go, Locksmith London. Yeah, will do. So what we do, we've got Locksmith London here. We go across this bit, click on load URLs, let's remove them once, I've got nothing in. Do load URLs, so it pulls all them in. Okay. So then copy them URLs. Now we can copy them URLs, put them into a text file, something like that. Let's do that. You might not want them all. Let me text that and not come up. Don't do the screen. Pull this across. So you've got them, because I've got this set up so it pulls in 30. Okay, so it's like 30 results there. If you don't know how to do that, it's simple. Go to settings, go to search settings, and then basically just pull in, you change the search settings to be 30, 40, 50, 100, whatever you want. Okay. Well, I've already got mine set on 30, so I'm not going to bother changing it. Sometimes when you do that, you'll get prompted to do your capture thing. But I've got 30, I've just pulled them in, so we got them. So the likes of Yell and Trustpilot, they're not really going to be that good, so we can just remove them. Like sort of Gumtree, we can remove them. Check it. You can do that if you want, or you can remove it inside. It's entirely up to you. Okay, just that'll do for now. I'll spot Trusted Trade, I'll get rid of them as well. So we do that, copy them, go over to here, paste them in, get the metadata. Now this takes a minute or so to like sort of get them, obviously depending on how many you're putting in. Okay, so that's back. Now this one's forbidden. So obviously this guy's got scrape and blocked. So we can't get into that one. What you can do if you want to have a look at the actual thing is just click on that link. It opens up for you. You can see what his meta title is there, but you know, pretty boring site. Plenty of content on. What you can do is just say, okay, we're not interested in him, so just delete them. So any ones you're not interested in, you can just delete. But okay, so say we want all the rest. It's a simple case of download the CSV. So we download it, just stick it in there, I'll do. That's finished downloading. Just open it. And that's what we get. So we've got the URL, we've got the title, we've got a description. I'll make this bigger, guys. And we've got the keywords there. Yeah, so if we do across, let's make them. Come on, you bugger, what are we doing now? So as you can see, we've got all of this description. Now what you can do, what I would do is obviously take these guys, craft my titles, take these, and what you can obviously do with these is you can use them as part of your content. So you take like sort of, you know, that bit and you say our 24-car locksmith, use that straight in your content and just pad around it. Or you can take them and use them as, and spin them. Obviously remove any, you know, you could change London to be location and then just have that. Make sure you move anything like this out, the 039 and stuff like that, and just basically use that as your content. Or, like I say, use it, spin each one of these, especially the top 10, spin each one, so that basically you have now got content for your meta titles, your meta descriptions, and even, we had some somewhere, you've even got like sort of keywords what people are targeting. Okay, so that's basically the new tool that's been added. Now, Patrick's just put a video in their group, which is how I found out about this one. And what he's mentioned in that video is that he's going to be putting the price up for this. At the moment, this is in the free version, but it's not going to be in the free version for very long. Then it's going into the paid version. Now, the paid version at the moment is, you know, the princely sum of £4.97 a month you can get it for, or you can pay $97 for the whole year, or I think it's something like $47 annually. Oh, $37 annually, it's even better. But like you said, these prices are going to be going up. So, you know, if you're wanting something like this, I mean, this tool has got loads of other stuff in what I use. Okay, so if we go back to the thing, combining keywords is a tool I use. Okay, so basically that will actually combine all of this stuff together. So you put a keyword in here and a keyword in there. In fact, let's show you. So there you go, you got roof of Wakefield, Yorkshire roof line installations, and then you just, if I clear your combinations, and you do that, boom, and it creates them for you. Now you can change that around, because I've got that as 1, 2, and 3. So if we decide to delete the combinations, and if I put that as 2, that is 1, create the combinations. We've now changed it around. So it's boom, 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 boom. Okay? How good is that for crafting your titles, your meta titles, and things like that? Yeah. All sorts of things you can do with it. It's got loads of different tools in. And for $97 one-time payment, it's bloody well worth it. You can find relevant keywords. You can scrub your keywords, which is another one I do. Obviously, the other one that gets used a lot, if you can't find it, is your spin tax spinner. That's another one which is really cool for spinning spin tax. You put a list of words in and it will spin them. And you've got your wrapping keywords, so it'll wrap them in different things, so it'll remove stuff. You've got your word count. You've got your rearrange word, which is a good one. So if you put in this one, is another one which I use a lot. If you put something, well, like there, I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do that, and basically it will create a combination. So if I put in dog, you've got to put a comma after them. Cat, mouse. That's my mouse. Yeah. Just get rid of them and do rearrange. It will now create 6 different variations of that. You then take them, put them into your spin tax spinner, and it's cool. Now if I put in there horse and do rearrange, it's now created 24. So I just take them 24, hop across to here. Where's it gone? That one. Put that in, make spin tax, and it's created down there. That's my spin tax done. Okay, hope that was useful for you guys. Catch you on the next video. Bye.